Darlene from WTI here, and I want to talk to you about this foldable storage box from Woffit. This is the toy storage. They also have a gray one with stripes. You could really put anything in here, dog stuffies, what you name it, blankets. So this is 30 inches by 16 by 15. And as you can see, folds really flat for storage, and that's how it comes to you. It has this divider with Velcros that you can separate inside, and this is your base. So you would just pop it open like that, put the base in there, adds a bit more stability, keeps its shape. And then if you want to use the optional divider, here you go, it's got Velcro. You just slide that in there like so. You got yourself a divider, and it has a flip lid. And here, this also has Velcro. So you can just stick that down, and here you go, ready to store whatever you need. What I also like about it is these side handles. So if you have something lightweight like blankets or stuffies or anything like that, you can just easily move this thing around. I think it's perfect for a kid's room or anywhere really, but that's just my point of view.